Good evening. The Cape Coral Police Department is announcing that we've made an arrest in a homicide investigation that occurred earlier this afternoon. Cape Coral Police Department has made an arrest in the homicide investigation from 1815 Southwest 30th Terrace. Kenneth Bailey Roop, 52, of 1815 Southwest 30th Terrace in Cape Coral, has been arrested by Cape Coral police detectives and charged with second-degree homicide in the shooting death of Nicholas Rainey, 30 years old, of 4541 Palm Beach Boulevard in Fort Myers. Earlier this afternoon, on the 25th of July, Cape Coral Police responded to numerous calls regarding a male that had been shot in the driveway of 1815 Southwest 30th Terrace. Upon arrival, our officers discovered Nicholas Bailey deceased in the driveway from multiple gunshot wounds. Police can confirm that there was a confrontation in the driveway between the homeowner, Kenneth Roop, and Nicholas Bailey, a door-to-door meat salesman who was employed by Blue Ribbon Steak and Seafood. Bailey was shot during the confrontation and died at the scene. Detectives interviewed Roop here at Cape Coral Police Headquarters and have arrested him on charges of second-degree murder. Roop will be taken to the Lee County Jail later this evening. It's important to know that the Cape Coral Police Department grieves with the Bailey family at this time. That is our #1 priority. And to partner with our colleagues at the State Attorney's Office to ensure a successful prosecution and bring justice to our victim and his family. I'll entertain any questions at this time.
Has Kenneth said why he had gotten a confrontation with Nicholas at all?
We're really not at liberty to discuss those specific details.
Were there any eyewitnesses to the shooting?
We have witnesses to it. As far as the actual, that we can't get into, but there were witnesses that were discovered during our detectives' canvass.
Where was he shot?
On his person, that we can't divulge.
Do you know if Roop has any other type of violent history?
I do not. I'm not aware of it.
Had Roop been at the house before?
Kenneth Roop? He lives there.
Did you say you have been to the house before?
Kenneth Roop, the homeowner?
Yes.
Yes, he had been to his home before.
Can you talk about what? For what reason?
I think we're mistaken here. Nicholas Bailey, who doesn't live there, we don't know if he's been there before or not, but Kenneth Roop, the homeowner, has been to his own home, yes.
Oh, I mean, have you guys been to his home before? Have the police department been to your home?
I don't have that information.
Is there any idea whether maybe the stand your ground defense could be used in this case? Is there any relevance that you can tell?
A couple things on that. It's much too early for that, #1, and #2, that's a question for the defendant and his defense attorney. All right. Thank you very much. Go ahead.
Was anyone else at all injured in any altercation, or was it just Bailey?
Just Bailey.
Were there two other individuals with Bailey?
That I
was
cannot
he selling
confirm.
the products by himself?
I don't have that information.
Do you know who called in the reports?
There were several, but their names and information that we don't have. It's too early for that.
And the assistant state attorney, Marie Dewar, was at the scene. Is that pretty much common procedure for her to be there?
It's not uncommon. A better way to describe that.
Was she just in the area? Was she called out?
She works frequently with our major crimes detectives. They have a good relationship with her. She's prosecuted many of our homicides, and that's not uncommon for, like I alluded to in our statement, we partner with our colleagues at the State Attorney's Office, and that is not uncommon. All right, thank you.